Let's see how about modifying an object that already exists. Maybe change the title here and maybe give it a description. Right. So let's do that. So to do that, we need to first find the object, retrieve it from memory, from the database, right? Copy it into a local instance, make modifications, and then save it back. Right. So let's do that. Let's do a public module, update module, and this is the way we're going to do this is that we're going to first fetch the object. So we're fetching, let's see, who we're fetching, JDBC. So let's do module JDBC. We're going to find it. This is a repository dot find by ID, and the ID of JDBC is 3. Right, so we can pass the 3. So presumably now we have the JDBC module in memory, and now we can modify. We can say, JDBC dot, and we'll change the title using the setter. So set title, and this will be Java database connectivity, and then we can do database the set description, and we can change it to low level SQL communication from Java. Right. Once we've done those modifications, we can save it back. We can use the repository .save, and we can pass in JDBC again. JDBC. Whereas the save over here did an insert. Right. This does an insert. This one is going to do an update. This is an update, right? And the way it knows which to use is that JDBC module JDBC there, we did not instantiate it. Right? It instantiated the JPA instantiated it. Right? So it's a managed object. Right? Notice that it's being assigned to module, which is a class that we created, but actually the data type of JDBC is not module. Right? It's a type of JPA that extends module. It dynamically creates classes on the fly that extend your class with the same functions, setters and getters, just like yours. So even though it looks like it's .set title and .set module description functions that we created, it's not really our function. It has its own functions, which it uses to keep track of the life cycle of the instance, meaning it checks to see if it's dirty. Right? If the object changed, if the state of the object changed. If it didn't change, there's no need to do any updates. Right? Why would I update something that I know hasn't changed? Right? So if it knows that it's dirty, then it will change only the fields that it knows that that actually changed. Right? All right, so let's do that. Let's map this into update module. So update module. And this is number 3, JDBC, and we're going to return this. Okay, so let's restart. And this is update module 3. So it updated. Notice that indeed the description, the title worked, right? And if I go into modules, I can see that indeed the number 3 changed. Yes?
So is it at the mapping that we follow the
I'm sorry?
I mean, the module is not being capitalized.
Module,
Like get module, the app doesn't need to be capitalized.
where is that?
Mappings, like mappings.
Which one are you talking about?
All the mapping, like update module, the app, like you don't need to capitalize them. Never capitalize it.
Update module, where? Oh, you mean the get mapping? Oh, right now we're using just arbitrary names.
Okay.
Yeah. But next week when we're going to talk about RESTful services, we're going to follow a very strict naming convention for all these programs. And I'm deliberately using random names.
Okay.
So that next week we'll say, well, remember how we use random names? No, actually it has a very specific naming convention when we talk about RESTful services. Yeah. All right. Yes. So now, thank you. Right, so I'll upload this.